Hey all, welcome back once again to my YouTube class. I'm Manjeet Rawat, your online instructor. As you know that recently I added one playlist, and this playlist is most important for every IT professionals because we already decided in this playlist I'm going to give you the proper solution of any technical issues like related to the desktop, Active Directory, Azure, Office 365 backup, firewall. So in this playlist, I'll try to give you more than 200 videos related to the real-time issues that we are facing on daily basis. This is day 3 because I have already uploaded 2 videos in this particular playlist. So this is day 3, and we already discussed about we are going to start our troubleshooting journey from desktop support engineer. So for desktop related issues. So today's issue is user, customer, or client is facing issues related to the slow performance with his Windows based operating system. It could be Windows Server operating system, or it may be related to the client based operating system like Windows 10 and Windows 11. The hardware of your machine is good, like as up to 16 gig of RAM, Core i5 processor or 7 processor with the SSD, but unfortunately you are getting a low space, a low speed of your application whenever you try to open any application or access a website from browser. Like it is not performing like as a hardware. So let me tell you each and every steps if you are facing same problem in your day-to-day activity. So these steps you need to follow to resolve this problem, right? So I'm moving myself to the screen of desktop that I can show you practically. If the user is facing problem related to the slow performance, so what are the steps or what are the practicals required to resolve this problem? So let me move my screen like desktop screen, share my desktop screen and show you the all step. Stay tuned. Alright guys, I hope you are able to see my screen, and let's talk about the solution, how we can resolve the problem related to the slow performance of machine. IT troubleshooting, right? This is our playlist name, and we are going to start our journey from desktop troubleshooting, right? And in this kind of module we are going to discuss everything related to the desktop, laptop, basic of networking, network printer, share printer, whatever resources that we are using on daily basis. We'll talk about troubleshooting for everything. The first issue that we are facing is system slow performance. Let's take an example. This is your desktop, and the problem is how to resolve system slow performance issue. So you can consider it as a problem. So I'm going to show you the steps related to the solution, how we can resolve it. So very basic steps required to resolve the problem of system slow performance. You should know about the cause why you are getting a system slow performance. So multiple reason behind this. Low disk space. This is one of most common cause for the system slow performance. Low disk space in operating system drive, right? Low disk space in operating system drive, a low space in OS drive. Number second, bad sectors in drive C. Number third, virus or system not up to date. This is another reason of system slow performance. If any virus occur in your operating system, so definitely it will create a problem related to the performance, and the operating system that you are using or the applications that you install must be up to date as per the requirement. Number 4, multiple application. Yes, multiple application on startup are on startup, right? So you should clear your doubt related to, you should check the number of applications which are available on a startup, and you should remove the all or disable the all startup application. These all are the points, and yes, next one more that you need to take care about. Remove or uninstall unused applications, right? Unused applications, number of applications that you have already installed but you are not using on daily basis, or no use of those applications. Please try to open control panel and remove it. These 5 different causes that occur that create a problem of system slow performance. So let's start with troubleshooting. What you need to do, make sure you are going to make a space in your operating system drive, and multiple method required to make a space in our operating system drive. I'm that going to show you the steps. This is Windows 10 Windows 11 operating system that I install on dedicated hardware. And if we check the space of our C drive, like see, we are able to find only 7.37 GB space in our operating system. It means that I'm also facing problem of slow performance, though the hardware of this machine is 32 GB of RAM, 512 SSD, and Core i5 with 13th generation of processor, 1 TB of hard drive. So this is the configuration, but still I'm not able to use and not able to operate my computer properly. I'm getting a slow performance because I don't have enough space in C drive. So how we can resolve it? Let's remove the files from remove the files from temporary. Just need to open run and type temp and hit enter. It will redirect you on the page of, this is the path where we can find C, Windows and temp, and multiple files are available. Let me check how much space consumed by these temporary files. So you are able to find here 2.5 GB, 51 GB space consumed by temporary files, and no use. It will not impact to your it will not impact to your existing data, right? This is temporary file, so you can remove the all temporary file from temp folder. I'm going to remove, delete it. It will increase the space of C drive, and definitely once the we have enough space in C drive, the system performance will automatically increase. Right click and delete it. Done. We successfully removed most of the files related to the temporary. Every Windows based machine contains 2 temporary files. Second, you need to execute the command %temp %, click OK, and it will redirect you on another temporary folder. And the gap between % and temp %, whenever we type only temp, it will redirect on the page of entire system temporary file, and %temp % will redirect you on the page of current user temporary file. 2.5 GB we have already deleted from the temporary file folder, and here we are able to see 300 MB, which is enough. I'm just going to remove all the data, all the temporary file from the user specific temporary files. Clear. We successfully removed most of the data from these 2 different temporary folders, right? And let me identify the available space, 3.6, because you also need to remove the data from recycle bin, because the number of files that you deleted from temporary folders are basically stored by our recycle bin. So select and delete. Done. Check the space again in our C drive. 11.4 GB space, right? 7.5 to 11.4 GB space. Still it's showing red. It means that you need to increase more space. So what are the other steps required? Just like as a temporary file, you just need to execute the command of prefetch, right? Prefetch command. Prefetch is a type of folder which is responsible to contain the files related to the application that you are using on frequency basis, right? Whatever the cache memory of our each and every application. So remove all the data from prefetch folder, and then execute the command of clean mgr, right? So these methods are helpful to increase the space in our operating system drive, and check mark all the folders which are available, 69 up to 70 MB of data. I'm going to delete it. So these all are the common steps that you need to use to increase the space in our C drive, because If you don't have enough space in C drive or operating system drive, it will impact to the performance of your computer. So I hope you guys are okay with the points that we discussed so far. I'm going to tell you more steps that help us to increase the space in our operating system drive. Just like we deleted Windows temporary files, open C drive and type software distribution folder. Software distribution folder contain one download folder, and the download folder basically applicable to download all the latest changes or update of Microsoft. You can say that contain the KB articles. So you should remove it because it will give you more space to increase the space in our operating system drive. It will help us to increase the space in operating system drive. This is software distribution folder. Go to the download and please see we are able to find n number of KB articles are available. Open properties and let's remove it. So these steps are helpful for to enhance the space in our operating system drive. Apart from this, let's talk about the another options. Open control panel, and in the control panel please open program and features and verify, like you just need to verify the number of applications that you install, and if you feel like we are not using any specific application, right, and that consuming much space, please select those applications from list and delete or uninstall it, because if you are not using these applications, no need to put in our operating system files. Next, open CMD and execute the command chkdsk. This is another command that you can use, and it will show you the number of bad sectors. Yes, number of bad sectors are available on your hard drive, because this is also a type of cause related to the slow performance of our machine. So make sure your hard disk is neat and clean and no bad sectors are available on your hard drive. If any bad sectors is appear on our hard drive, so we have another option to remove the bad sector or fix the bad sector with the help of command line interface. So it is trying to verify, checking the all type of partitions and space of our computer, and once it's verified, it will show you the number of list of bad sectors, if any, available on the machine. Zero bad sector means my hard disk is working properly. There are no bad sector on my disk. So in your case, if you are getting any number on this bad sector, like these thousand or millions of bad sectors are available on your hard drive, so you should execute one another command to fix the bad sector. sfc space / scan now, right? This is the command that you need to execute, and with the help of this particular command, it will fix the bad sector on the same location. Verification is started, like 6% completed, and once it completes 100%, your hard disk will like as a bad sector free, because we don't have option to remove the bad sector, but we can fix the bad sector on their own location. Apart from this, you can also execute one clean mgr. We already talked about. We deleted all temporary files. We understand about remove the all applications if not required, and now check the startup, right? So how we can verify the startup, the number of applications which are available on a startup? Open task manager, and in the task manager click on startup, and it will show you how many applications are in startup. Like cloud creative enable, it means that it will come into the picture with our operating system, and CXP process, Adobe and agent, these are applications are enabled, means are turned on for the startup. Rest of application I have already disabled, right? Realtek audio universe is enabled, voice mode is enabled, so you just need to select and disable it. I don't want to put these applications on a startup. Fine. So if not required, please make it disable. So these all are the steps required to block to enhance the speed of our system, to increase the performance of system. Let me check 11.6 GB, and if any another files are available, go to the downloads. These applications, if the applications not required, please select, like I have already downloaded ISO image and these. I'm just going to remove it. I don't want these applications, these software, so remove it. Definitely it will help us to increase the space in our operating system drive. Whatever application that you don't want, please delete it. Back to recycle bin and remove from the recycle bin as well. And let me check now. 21.2 GB space available. Now it's green. Your system will perform normally. I hope everyone okay with the points that we discussed in this is first troubleshooting. This is first issues and solution. Do subscribe, give your suggestion, and please do support Teach Me Cloud. Take care, guys. We'll connect on Wednesday, MWF, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday we decided for troubleshooting. So let's connect in next class. Take care. Bye-bye.